Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about the assert statement in Python language. Okay, what is the usage of assert statement? Assert statement is used to check if the logical expression is true or false. If it returns true, the program execution proceeds. Otherwise, it raises the assertion error. Got it? I repeat it again. Assert statement is used to check if the logical expression is true or false. If it returns true only, the program execution proceeds. Otherwise, it raises the assertion error. Okay, let's see this example. Here, I have created the num variable. Okay, I have used the input method to get the input from the user during the execution of the program. And here I have implemented the typecasting process to convert the string value to integer, because input method always returns the string value. Okay, and the converted integer value will be stored inside the num variable. Here I have used the assert keyword. Okay, and the expression. Okay, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false, isn't it? If it returns true, what will happen? The program execution proceeds. Okay, if it returns false, it raises the assertion error. Got it? Let me execute this one. Here, first I give the positive number 8. So what is the result for this? After the evaluation of this, that is inside the num variable, we have now 8, isn't it? So 8 greater than or equal to 0 returns true only. True means what happens? The program execution proceeds. So we will get this output. Got it? Now again I execute the same, but this time I give the negative number. Okay. So after the evaluation of this expression, that is -7 greater than or equal to 0 returns false only. Isn't it? So if it returns false means what will happen? This assert statement raises the assertion error. Isn't it? Okay. Now I got the assertion error. Okay, this is the logical expression and this is the assertion error. So this assert statement raises the error when the logical expression returns false. Okay, I hope you all understood about the assert statement. And here I have one more example. Here I have used the user-defined function. Okay, so what is the task for this function? Is used to calculate the area of a rectangle. So what is the formula for area of the rectangle? Length into breadth, isn't it? So here I have passed two arguments, length and width. Okay, here I have used the assert keyword. And this is our logical expression. This is our custom message. Okay, and length greater than 0, what is it? This is the logical operator. This is the relational operator. Okay, so length greater than 0 and width greater than 0. Okay, after the evaluation of this expression, if we will get true, the execution proceeds without any interruption. Okay, after the evaluation of this expression, if we will get false, what will happen? This assert statement raises the assertion error with the custom message. Okay, and here the formula area is equal to length into width, and that area will be returned with the help of this return keyword. Okay, with the arguments and with the return value. Okay, this is only the definition part. The execution starts only from the 11th only, because this is the definition part, isn't it? So here I have created the variable, okay, and this is our call statement for this definition part, isn't it? Here I have given 2 and 5. So the control search where the definition part for this call statement and carries these values 2 and 5 and jumps from the 11th statement to the second statement, because here only we have the definition part for this call statement, and the 2 will be stored inside the length and 5 will be stored inside the width. Okay, and here length greater than 0, true, isn't it? Width greater than 0, 5. Okay, so this is also returns true. So true and true returns true only. Okay, true means what will happen? The program will be executed without any interruption, isn't it? So here area is equal to length into width, 2 into 5. That value, that is the area, will be returned with the help of this return keyword, and the control again jumps back to 8th line to the 11th line. Okay, here that area will be stored inside this area1 variable that will be printed on our console with the help of this print statement. Likewise, here we have one more variable. Here we have the call statement, but the values are different. Here I have given the negative value. Okay, after encounter this line, the control carries -4 and 8 and jumps from the 15th line to the definition part second line. Okay, this 4 will be stored inside the length and the 8th will be stored inside the width. Okay, and here length greater than 0 returns false only because -4, isn't it? So -4 greater than 0 returns false and width is 8. 8 greater than 0 returns true. But false and true returns false only. False means what will happen? This custom message will be displayed with the assertion error. Okay, so the following statements won't be executed. Got it? Now let me execute this one. Here trace back. So what is it? Area 2 rectangle -4 and 8. Okay. So this is our assertion error. Length is -4 and width is 8, isn't it? So this call statement produces the error. What type of error is this? This is the assertion error. The custom message is displayed here. Length and width must be positive. And this is the output for the 11th statement. Okay, there is no negative numbers, isn't it? This is positive, this is positive. So no errors. So the following statements are executed without any interruption. So we got the result for this call statement. 2 5s are 10. We got the result. Area of the rectangle. Okay. I hope you all understood about the assert statement. Assert statement is used to check if the logical expression is true or false. If the logical expression is true, the program execution can be maintained without any interruption. The logical expression is false, the assertion error will be raised. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.